Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a channel in a Discord server. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Discord application and I'm going to duplicate channel in the server. Okay guys, this is my server on Discord and I'm going to duplicate one of the channel. Okay, for example, I'm going to duplicate this music channel. So I'm going to right click on it and then we just need to click on duplicate channel here. All right, and the channel will be music music 2 channel. I'm just going to click on create channel. And okay, as you can see, oops, sorry guys, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and as you can see that the new channel has been added to this server. Okay guys, and that's all the way to duplicate a channel in a Discord server. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.